Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I was just downtown. Right now I just got back into Richmond because I am checking out Erin's new place. She moved out and it's not technically housewarming, but we're just hanging out. So I think it's me, Zoe, and Erin. I think one of Erin's friends, I'm not sure. So I'm excited to see her place, but we're gonna get some food. I think it's sushi, Tokyo Joe's, because you know, it's Zoe. And plus, you know, I like Tokyo Joe's. I think I'm in the right building, I don't know. We'll find out. We are currently in Erin's new apartment. I don't know if she wants me to show it because it's not complete. Here's Zoe, it's been so long she's been a vlog. What are you drinking? Say it. Say it, no laughing.
Lemon tea.
Lemon tea, it's right. I don't know if you want me to show your apartment.
Yeah, sure.
It's Erin, their independent woman, strong independent woman apartment.
Yes.
It's new place. We're having a pre-housewarming party.
Yes.
We're gonna have another one soon.
Yeah.
She has the best view.
Bingo, he who watch his vlog, you can get the entry to my house.
Oh, okay. So only me. Zoe's not watching. She doesn't watch all the time.
Oh no. But she's in the vlog.
Oh, so you can come. That's fine. Yeah. This was really good actually. 真係好甜喎 surprise 我呢個，冇乜酒味。
佢其他味都好有。
Oh really? I remember this brand. I might buy the other flavors. The alcoholic. Just saying. Oh, your selfie.
I'm driving you home too.
Oh, you better drive me home. Please, it's cold. 凍啊，凍，我老人家嚟㗎我，行得遠㗎，佢啲行咗好多啦。
下雨行
多咗啦，搭咗 SkyTrain 咁又好攰㗎啦。望下頭啦嚇。I'll just share one of your boring stories, you know? And I won't complain.
Oh yeah.
I won't complain, okay? Okay. You have a boring story for me? Alright.
Boring.
That guy. 垃圾好嘅臭啦 I tripped on that. It was a step. I tripped on that. Look at Erin, independent woman. She doesn't need a man. Oh, gee, don't jerk it. Oh, so high tech. It turns on by itself. No, I have to press the button. Where does that go? Oh, oh my god. Oh. 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 Like, oh. Oh. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, thanks for having us. I'll see you soon.
See you.
I'm gonna buy her a gift because I know what to get her now.
Nice.
I look for your drawers too to double check. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh god, you're trusting her. Okay, bye. Alright, Zoella, let's go. What the hell was that? Erin's just watching us. Oh, wow.
She's so...
快啲啦! This morning, a total of 6 different people sent me this TikTok clip of the Vita lemon tea brand. You know how much I love it. They were doing like a giveaway with a tote bag. And when I saw it, of course, I went to the TNT nearest me. And unfortunately, that one did not have that promotion. So I was so gutted. I went home. But luckily, Erin, being the awesome person that she is, she got it. You have to buy like 3 bottles and a pack of juice boxes to qualify to get it. She got it for me! You know how obsessed I am with these lemon teas. Oh my god, true friend right there for me. She could have easily kept it for herself. It's actually pretty big. Like, it's not as big as the TNT grocery bag I use, but it's not bad. I like it. It's a good size. And you can compact it into the little baggie. I like it. I'm always going to be having it on me. But I'm not going to put groceries in it. I'm probably going to put only lemon tea in it. That's awesome. Oh my god, Erin is the best. I'm not gonna share what I'm gonna buy for her for a housewarming present on the vlog here because I might not be able to give it to her before she sees this vlog. I don't want to ruin the surprise, so we'll just wait and see. But I think she'll definitely like it because I know we talked about this brand before. So I'm not gonna say what I got in case she watches the vlog. I'll get it, and when I finally gift it to her, then I'll show you guys what it is. Big grocery haul today. Ooh, it's kind of dark. A little better. Yeah, because I haven't probably gone to a grocery store since I've been back from Calgary. So yeah, I was missing a lot of things. Not just proteins to cook with, but essential things. Got some more udon noodles. I'll put this in the freezer right away. I got some of these rice noodles that I really like now. They're made in Hong Kong. I mean, that's why I like it so much. I got some more of the zero sugar lemon tea that is so good. Not missing the sugar at all. For days when I'm not allowed to have sugar. And then I got regular lemon tea. I actually haven't bought lemon tea in a long time. Because I didn't need to. Because I was doing zero sugar and then I still had back stock from before I did no sugar. So that's why I have so many. I finally had to buy some. So that's definitely new. And I got some more aloe vera drink because I really love it. It's really refreshing, the aloe vera drink. Let's see, don't need that. I now have 2 reusable bags from T&T, which will piss off Zoe because for some reason she hates my bags. She's a hater. That's right, Zoe, you're a hater. And you're probably not gonna watch this vlog, so you won't know I'm calling you a hater, so you're a hater. I got some more radish kimchi, the cube ones, which I really like, and then the small fingerling ones. And then I got this new pear juice that was on sale. It looks really good. It's really clear. So I'm looking forward to this. And the sugar's not that bad. There's only 13%. I was expecting at least 20 when it comes to sugar drinks. And I got some proteins. Not too much because it was kind of expensive. So I'll be fine. I have sandwichy stuff to make. And you know, I try not to eat too much carbs on my days off, so yeah. Plus, I want to go to Sun Given to buy protein because the protein's sometimes cheaper when their expiry date's getting close. So yeah. Plan right now. Oh, and I also got chicken wings from Costco. Thanks to Akihito because I don't have a Costco membership. He got one because he's cray now. Yeah. Plan right now is I'm probably gonna put all these groceries away, and then I'm probably going to go shower, relax. Open some windows to lower the temperature. Yesterday was just so hot. I don't know what was going on yesterday. But today it was rainy and gloomy. It's not like super cold, but there's a breeze. So I'm gonna, you know, let out some of this hot air that's in my apartment right now. It's driving me nuts. And then I'll make some dinner. And that's the plan. Chicken wings and a Caesar salad for dinner. I wasn't really craving carbs, and I think I had carbs for lunch, right? I don't know. I'm not gonna finish this. I always want to make sure I put enough wings on a pan so I don't waste oven space. Whatever I don't finish will be lunch for tomorrow. Caesar salad, I was craving a Caesar salad because when I was in Calgary for my 1.5 days, we went to a steakhouse, and usually steakhouses have amazing Caesar salad. Usually, but I think I've been gypped a few too many times. Like sometimes I would go to one expecting it to be good and it's just bad. A good Caesar salad is really hard to find. It's all in the dressing and if they dried the romaine lettuce correctly. Sometimes the romaine lettuce is too wet, so the dressing's not sticking properly to the greens, or the dressing's too runny and not thick enough. You need a good, thick Caesar salad dressing, and it's really hard to find. And you would think steakhouses would do a good one because you know, it's a restaurant, but sometimes it's just runny. Like, I forgot where I went for my birthday that one year at fancy steakhouse. I was disappointed. It was tableside, and the dressing was just mid. So I found a QP mayo. The QP pie place makes the really good mayo. Plus, they also make that red onion dressing that I really like. But they have a Caesar one, and usually the consistency of this dressing brand is always thick. So I'm hoping this is good. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let me take the thing off. Hold on, guys. Don't do that. Let's try this again. Don't want this to pour too much. Or pour it all. Come on. There we go. Oh, it's thick, guy. Oh my god. It is thick, so it's so hard to pour out. Oh my god. I am excited for this. Oh yeah, it's very thick. Barely anything's coming out. Oh, I'm excited. Also, you might think it's controversial, but if there's not a lot of Caesar dressing on the Caesar salad, it's not good either. Like the one I had at steakhouse in Calgary, oh my god, every piece was pitch white. It was runny. There was enough salt. It wasn't too sour. It was just perfect. Hard to replicate that, honestly. Let's try. It's not too sour. The saltiness is just right. It's just not thick enough. Still pretty good. Just got home from work. I am very tired. It's been a very long day, but for some reason the weekends have been very, very slow. I don't know where everyone's going. Like, it's busy during the day, but come 6-7 p.m. it completely gets so quiet and dead. I don't know what we're doing. It's not like people are going to night market. It's so bloody expensive, so I don't know what they're doing because it's been raining all day too, so the weather's also not helping, I guess. But yeah, I wore a different type of outfit today. I'm buttoned up, and a t-shirt's not no, but I wore baggy jeans. I haven't worn baggy jeans in a very long time because I was really self-conscious how I looked in them. And I think I rocked them pretty well. Not the best, but I think I did them well. I don't look that ugly. Right now, I'm probably just gonna chill for a little bit, have a shower, and then clean a little bit. I do have 2 days off in a row. I'm very excited. I kind of need those 2 days off in a row. I have so much to do, but the house is kind of messy. So I want to change my bed sheets and everything. My kitchen's actually okay, but it's just a little vacuuming and all that stuff. So looking forward to 2 days off in a row. We're just gonna ignore my after shower hair because I'm not in the mood. I just finished my shower and I just did some cleaning. I didn't do too much. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I have day off tomorrow. I edit my vlog. Not too much going on. I'm also watching these challenge videos. Video games that people do. It's interesting to watch. I would never do these challenge videos where I play video games like that because it's not enjoyable to me. But I do like it when other people do it. So this one's basically about Final Fantasy V, and he's not allowed to do certain things in the game. So basically these challenges are to make things more difficult. But yeah, I don't really do them. It's like the Pokemon challenge people give themselves when they play Pokemon games, where, you know, when a Pokemon faints in battle, they can't use that Pokemon anymore. It's kind of like the concept on that, but, you know, different games are going to have different challenges you can achieve. Anyway, I like watching these once in a while. They're kind of fun. You know what I haven't done in a while? I watch K-dramas. Like, there's been so many bad ones that it's funny how I can't get through them right now. They're so bad. I'm watching one about superpowers, and it's so bloody boring. I won't go on the rant too much about it. I'll talk to you about once I finish that drama, but yeah. Anyway, I'm slowly falling asleep. My sleeping is still not, like, ruined. It's still pretty normal for a person. I'm getting sleepy at 12 a.m. I mean, 12 midnight, yeah. It's weird. So I figure I better end the vlog properly before I do. I don't know how much footage I have for this week. I guess I'll find out when I actually finally edit the vlog. We'll see. But yeah, I better end before I fall asleep. So I guess I'll see you all next week.